What is ERP for FMCG? FMCG goods are fast-moving goods sold through extensive distribution channels and consumed in high volumes. ERP software for FMCG streamlines all the processes in the industry, including trading, distribution, and logistics to grow business. What processes are covered in FMCG ERP? Lighthouse ERP for FMCG industry provides complete visibility and transparency by streamlining all the operations and distribution activities, adapting to industry-specific requirements, demand management, promotions and schemes, sales and receivables. Benefits of Lighthouse ERP software for FMCG industries. Operations automation through warehouse management, barcoding and dispatch ensures that demand of goods is met on time and in full. Business analytics highlights critical information for the management team to take real-time data-based decisions. Finance and accounts are deeply integrated in every transaction cycle, ensures real-time reporting at every instance. Credit control and debtors management. Sales and distribution system in the ERP makes it easy to track distributors and sales staff performance, increase market reach and engagement, understand core market share and competition. Inventory and stocks with the help of an inventory management module. Inventory management systems ensures stock status, count and value, quality and life of goods, goods movements and logistics, returns and credit notes.